Inside the human body, trillions of cells work together in perfect balance. Each cell follows precise instructions that control when it should grow, divide, repair itself, or die. This balance keeps tissues healthy and organs functioning. But when these instructions are damaged, a silent and dangerous process can begin. This process is known as cancer. Cancer begins at the smallest level of life, inside a single cell. Deep within its nucleus, the DNA, which carries the blueprint of life, becomes damaged. This damage may occur due to exposure to harmful chemicals, radiation, viruses, inherited genetic errors, or even random mistakes during normal cell division. Under healthy conditions, the body detects these errors and either repairs the DNA or eliminates the damaged cell. However, when these protective systems fail, the mutated cell survives and continues to exist with faulty instructions. Unlike normal cells, cancer cells do not respond to the body's control signals. They ignore commands that tell them to stop dividing or to self-destruct when damaged. As a result, these abnormal cells begin to multiply uncontrollably. Over time, they accumulate into a mass of tissue known as a tumor. This tumor grows rapidly, consuming nutrients and oxygen that are meant for healthy cells, gradually weakening the surrounding tissue. As the tumor expands, it begins to invade nearby structures. Healthy cells are compressed, blood flow becomes restricted, and normal organ function starts to decline. To sustain its rapid growth, the tumor triggers a process called angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels. These newly created vessels supply the tumor with a constant flow of oxygen and nutrients, allowing it to grow larger and more aggressive. In this way, cancer manipulates the body's own systems to support its survival. Cancer becomes even more dangerous when it spreads beyond its original location. Some cancer cells break away from the primary tumor and enter the bloodstream or the lymphatic system. Traveling through these pathways, they can reach distant organs such as the lungs, liver, brain, or bones. Once settled, these cells begin forming new tumors. This process, known as metastasis, is responsible for most cancer-related deaths and makes treatment significantly more complex. As cancer spreads, vital organs start to fail. In the lungs, oxygen exchange is reduced, leading to shortness of breath. In the liver, the body's ability to filter toxins and regulate metabolism declines. In the brain, cancer can disrupt neural communication, affecting movement, memory, and behavior. Throughout the body, the immune system attempts to fight back, but cancer cells are highly adaptive. They can hide from immune detection or weaken immune responses, allowing the disease to progress further. Over time, cancer affects the entire body, not just a single organ. Patients may experience extreme fatigue, weight loss, muscle wasting, pain, and hormonal imbalances. The body's energy is drained as cancer consumes resources needed for normal survival. Yet, despite its destructive power, cancer is not invincible. Advances in medical science, such as early detection, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, targeted treatments, and immunotherapy have dramatically improved survival rates. Cancer often begins silently, without noticeable symptoms, but understanding how it affects the body makes it visible. Awareness, education, and early diagnosis save lives. By understanding the science behind cancer, we strengthen humanity's ability to fight it and move closer to a future where this disease no longer holds power over life.